Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and once more I would like to welcome you to another video from our for the result of our live trading room, our weekly results. I have chosen, I think there are like 5 pairs, oil and some forex pairs about this week. We had many pairs retracing, many breakouts like GBP New Zealand dollar. We had a retracement to a well-respected trend line. Price was retracing, and this was a higher settings, lower settings combined entry. Many of you took this. An APO of like 50 pips, 45 pips. Price moved all the way up. Probably your position got stopped out with 180, 190 pips because of the trail stop strategy. Some of you are already in short anyway because of the major resistance area, the breakout, but price couldn't stay lower high, and with this retracement I had some charts, lower settings. Again, this is an M6 entry going short. So you see here with our entry, this was 4 times our APO, 190 pips all the way up here. Okay, we're not counting the next opportunity, clear, straightforward, one direction trades, and that is 4 times our APO. Now on oil, we had a really nice opportunity. Here again, at the beginning of the week, let me go to higher settings, we had a very powerful trend line. After the reaction, price was crashing down. We saw price catching a breather here. We know the rules. We were waiting for a retracement, and you can see here our opportunity entry. Many of you also took this. That was again like 50-60 pips already, 420. Win-win scenario definitely. I'm sure you have trailed your APO, and I'm sure your last position is still running, because with like 50 pips of an APO you can go for at least 650. So again, 8 times our APO only on oil. On Euro USD we had an entry, an opportunity. You see here my M6, and this is much more lower settings. I will explain why. Again, like, oops, sorry. How much is that? Like 20-25 pips already, down to almost 80 pips. But I said you can go short with an M6. Why? Because we are following main direction, and not only a main direction, but price been going short for some time now, already knowing that price tends to spike, and we already know, and from our combined classic charts, Heikin Nasi, price is already inside a huge range, and that's why we are targeting this area. You see how powerful short it is. This was the false breakout with the wrinkle that we do on the live room. This was the spike, and again, once more, we saw our trend line breaking here, and that's why we went short. 2 times our APO, definitely worth our entry, not only because we have 2 times our APO, because we are following the main direction, and because with an entry of 30 pips of an APO we can go for 500. This is what makes the whole difference. Now on CHF we had also price reaching a major resistance area. And why it's major? Because the previous time price reacted here, it went down like 850 pips. If you remember, I said we can go short here with our M6 M3 strategy against the main trend. That's why I have my trend line here, and when price started to retrace, this is the beginning of the week, we saw our retracement. Entry was, let me check, CHF like 25 pips, and you can see price is already moving, definitely win-win scenario, like 120, 130 pips. You can trail your APO, of course, on higher settings, already knowing that at 200 pips you can take some incremental profits. Well done for those that remember the strategies. It's always good to go through the videos on the members area. And let's close with our Aussie QE. Oh, nope, not this one, this one. We were waiting, we had a wedge here. Previous direction was short. You already know a hint that I usually say on the live room. So with a bounce opportunity, due to the hint, with some pending orders here, like 20 pips, already 80. 4 times our APO, easy win-win scenario. Now, only with these pairs, if we add them up, it's like 880 pips. 23 times our APO. Yes, we got stopped out in a couple of pairs. That doesn't mean anything because our APO is always there and our last position makes the difference. Yep, that's it. Thank you very much once more. Have a beautiful weekend and see you again on Monday morning with our top-down approach. Bye bye everybody. Stay safe.